my fellow ninjas, Greenninjatale here, and today we'll be reacting to SMG4. Mario gets his wang stuck in the car door by SMG4. Now, I have not seen this yet, and oh boy, poor Mario. First he got his wang stuck in a door, and now he's gonna get his wang stuck in a car door. What's next? A train door? What's next? A plane door? Oh my goodness. Oh, poor Mario. It's not looking good for him. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. The original links are in the description below. Make sure you go subscribe to SMG4. Without further ado, let's begin.
This is so nice.
Okay, and he's, yep, this is probably where he's gonna get, yep.
Here we go again.
Great. There you go.
Listen, son. I know the temptation.
Is that the guy from King of the Hill or something?
Appealing,
whatever that's called.
Be doing that to such fine craftsmanship.
Great.
Car alarm activated.
Mamma mia! No!
Okay, he's getting dragged inside the road.
Hmm?
Uh-oh.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, Slakitu.
Help me!
Okay. Now he's on the racetrack. Now he's back there. Poor Mario. And this, here's the old guy back in where Maggie and Bob opened the pawn. Oh, the pawn shop video, yeah. And the cat lady.
Money for my crippling surgery, Dad?
No.
Okay, final offer. I love ya.
What? What is with this robber? Oh, okay.
Sweet.
101 ways to ungem your grades.
Sorry, got it. You sound me stealing a car.
Poor Mario. Poor Mario. Oh, Shroomy! Wait, what? Grandpa? That's Shroomi's grandpa? What? Okay. Nervous Mr. Monitor.
Here, hold this.
Oh, what? Oh my goodness.
Huh? Ugh, God damn it.
The box of memes. Oh, that's Kirby.
That's right, Kirby. You finally get to star in your own episode.
Yay! Great.
Ooh.
Here we go.
Kirby car! I love Kirby's Forgotten Land. That's probably one of the first Kirby games I ever got, and I love it. It was so good. Kirby car. Great. What? Okay, he just ascends.
Thank you, God.
I got you, homie.
Oh, he's still stuck, okay.
Well, let's paying his hospital debts, baby. Grandpa, you came to visit me?
Oh, poor Shroomy. Of course. Okay.
bad on that one. Sorry about that.
Oh, there's Bowser finally.
Nan! 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 Nan!
Mamma mia! Oh!
Diese Fräuleins have the Mittelschmerz. The healing is not as rewarding as the hurting.
Oh no!
Chris, you don't have to get new boobies just for me. You're cool the way you are.
Swag, you idiot. I told you it's just a health checkup.
Oh no. Oh, he's getting flashbacks from the other episode. From the last one.
No, it can't be.
What the hell are you talking about?
Mario, please don't tell me. Is your a girl?
What? Oh,
Everyone
okay.
out on the building now. All units coming. We have a gold show. I repeat.
A code show. Oh, what? What is going? Okay. The military?
Oh! Mamma mia!
Oh, are they preparing for the aliens again? That's what they're preparing for? Because that's what I'm thinking. Are they preparing for the aliens? Great.
What are you staring at?
Day of booby surgery went well.
What the f is going on?
Damn.
Where there are wieners stuck indoors, they will come.
The
Life
aliens.
forms from another planet here to harvest our Johnsons for their own weapons of mass destruction.
Yeah, he's talking
Only
about
we
the
can't
aliens.
save the world now.
I knew it.
Oh, oops, nearly forgot.
Oh, that TF2 music. Oh. Door can't. Oh, they're back.
A weapon to surpass. Metal Gear.
Incoming!
They're gonna shoot doors right at our junk.
Bring it on.
Bye, bitch!
What?
What the f?
You ain't even
What
got
is
the only
going-
ones that strike
okay.
the way of the door, did he? We trained and trained, making sure that a repeat of last time would never happen again.
They
We
were
have more than
training
balls
for
of steel
this?
now. We have goddamn balls of titanium. And now, we have the power.
Okay.
Battle cry.
Okay.
Come on!
Cool battle cry.
$15.30. $15.40. Great shot.
Great. Time for the big. Oh, the big one.
Fuck, they are flying away. We did it, guys.
Wait, what's that?
Oh.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Uh-oh.
It's going to crush us.
Man, blow that thing up.
What?
Well, this is it. Was nice knowing you guys.
No, there's got to be something we can do. You started all of this. Think of something.
Exactly.
My god. That's it.
Oh, cars. Oh my goodness. Now they're just doing cars now. Oh my goodness. It's an SMG4 episode. What do you expect? Oh, this is hilarious so far.
The Lenny Brown voice.
Oh yeah. What in the world? For the motherland.
Mamma mia, tutto il motore gravato.
No, Mario. We did it.
Ma tutti detto. E tutte le cotture catturate sono sempre da chete.
Oh, let me help with that.
Great. I thought he was just gonna open the door and then this whole problem would be solved, but no, it's just a rocket launcher. Oh my goodness, this episode was so great. I loved it. How the callbacks to the beginning of the Mario gets his wang stuck in the door episode, and now they were just training for it. That was awesome. I like how they did that. Oh my goodness. And yeah, this episode was really good. And yeah. Oh, by the way, Meta Runner, episode 1 is coming tomorrow. I will react to that. And yeah, this was really good. I really enjoyed this. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, I really loved this video. This video was hilarious. And yeah, I really like the callbacks to the original Mario gets his wang stuck in the door video. That was insane. And yeah, I liked how they were just training for this moment to come, and the aliens just return. And yeah, that was just so unexpected. But yeah, anyways, guys, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a like, comment down below what video you guys want me to react to next. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see ninjas later. Peace out, guys.